Now there's automatic proration right in your funding estimate. When navigating to the funding estimate, disbursements are typically broke out evenly. When you go ahead and make changes, Core now goes ahead and changes your loans and grants right within the funding estimate to reflect the amount of credit hours a student is taking and, of course, adjusting the credit load. As we can see right now, it's going through and making those adjustments so that you don't have to navigate how the stages of reduction takes place. If you go through and you tab through the areas, the changes take place right before your eyes. No needing to break out Excel or make tabulation changes. Just watch it work and get adjusted.